What's going on, team? It's your boy Pip Maul. Feeling a little under the weather, but let's talk about this week's schedule. I'm gonna talk about the trade I took this last week, and then what's gonna be happening this upcoming week. We are gonna be trading TOYKO 3 times this week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, most likely. If not, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But yeah, this project that I'm working on in Naples, we're doing a beach club. Um, and I have a lot of backed up punch that I have to get done. So unfortunately, that's gonna be taking a lot of my time, but I'm still gonna be trading with you guys this week, and hopefully we can get some cold signals throughout the week on New York sessions. I'll be dropping those if we do. But let's talk. Let's get right into this breakdown. Talk a little bit about what happened this week. Let's talk about last week's breakdown. So last week breakdown, we were trading right around this area, um, and which I told you guys I expected a push up from here and for us to get rejection right from this level of supply. So as you can see, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. You can see that those levels a little better. You can see this was a daily demand, right? Daily slash 4-hour time frame, higher time frame demands. Once we traded under, right, I expected a push up back into this level and a rejection if we get indication, right? I also said if we break above, right, this and come back, trade that level of supply back into a level of demand, I would be no longer looking for shorts. You can go back into the video and check it out if you have it. And that's exactly what happened. That's the only trade I was able to take this last week. Price came back into this level, turned the level of supply back into a level of demand, right? Once she came closed above, came back above my weekly slash daily support, right? She came traded right, which is this red line here, right at 14,677. Once she came traded right back above here, once we had that candlestick closure above, that's why I took my trades. I set my stops back at this level of supply, turned into a level of demand. So back at this level of demand, when she came, if she came traded right under, I understood that this level of demand, this could have been a fake out, back turned into a level of supply to push back down, right? But she didn't do that. So I had set my stops right here at 14,500 level, which was the key area I was looking price to come back into and then reject, but she kept pushing up. So as she pushed up, I just let my runners run, covered over 390 pips throughout the week. But yeah, let's talk a little bit more about what's the area we're on right now. We look at our daily time frame, we can see, right? Let me erase this little older block there. We can see that price is now back in this range, and if we look left, we look back, we can see that there has been previous resistance in this level, right? You can see price came up to this price range at 15,200, from 15,200 to 15,270. We got a price range, came in here, wick, pushed down, came back, wick, pushed down. Once we finally closed above that zone, she pushed up. So you can see she came back, pushed down. Close under, came back, retested, pushed down, right? Close above, came back, retested, pushed up. Close under, came back, pushed down. As you can see, this is a common, very common level, right? Key area where price tends to want to come in here and reject if she trades under it, and if she trades above, she wants to push from this zone. So right into, this is just a level I pulled out recently. So this is not going to be on last week's breakdown. I want you guys to go ahead and write this level down. Let's go right into our monthly. Make sure we're not missing out on nothing. Monthly, already creating a bullish engulfing on the month, right? We have that order block that we bounced from and exponential moving average, right? So if you guys been with me for a while, you know I trade supply, demand, right? Market structure, and I trade the only indicator I like to utilize a lot, it's the exponential moving average, or the EMA, right? So as you can see, once you trade under it, push, once you close above, she likes to treat it as a level of support, right? So she came back down to that EMA, bounced off. Is the monthly's already giving us a bullish engulfing candlestick, telling us she wants to come back into this range, right? Maybe test these monthly highs. So I'm going to leave this order block here from last week's breakdown. I'm going to leave my daily demands here and my weekly supply, because I do understand that this is a level where on the weekly time frame we can reject from, right? We have rejected from it before, previous multiple times, as we can see here, right? Close above, push, close under, rejection, under, rejection. So I'm going to leave this level marked out and the monthly high because we are seeing to be more on the bullish side now. The weekly is also leaving a bullish engulfing candlestick, trading back inside the zone, right? So I love the areas where I'm at right now, where they're being so respected. I'm gonna leave them. We're still trading in that zone. On the weekly, we are now trading above EMA. We need to wait for closure, right? The daily. Let's look at our daily time frame. Daily just looks gorgeous. I do have a new level, founding level here, right, for resistance slash support, right? We have a resistance level here. As long as we keep trading under it, and if we close above, then we know we turn that resistance to a level of support, and we'll be catching the longs, maybe chasing these new highs. And we do need to target these weekly supplies. Needs to be our target, right? Which is 400 pips in the range. So we have that level there. Let's go into our 4-hour time frame. See where we had the change of character, break of structures here, right? So we had break of structure. We were pushing down. Boom. This is when we finally closed underneath that demand zone, right? Turned it into supply. And then you can see here we have a change of character. From last week's breakdown too, last thing I wanted to speak about, I did create this box. I don't know if you guys remember. If not, go back to that video. It's on YouTube. Go back to it, and I gave you guys trade ideas for the week, and I said simply, I drew out this box. I said, you know what? If once we get a full breakout above this box, then we can catch longs all the way into this range, and this needs to be a TP. You can go back to the video and see it's 160 point play. Once we had closure above this box, could have took that trade with stops back in the box, and you would have hit 160 pips there. And then obviously we didn't get no rejection from that supply zone. We turned it back into a level of demand. So if you've been with me for a while, you probably capitalize on that trade as well. If not, don't worry. We're gonna get beautiful trades this week. I'm gonna be trading Tokyo with you guys. I'm gonna be live. Just wanted to talk about a little bit what happened last week, and then do this week's breakdown. The same zones, you're not gonna be changing much. Only thing that's gonna come in is this level, this founding level of support slash resistance, supply slash demand, right around 15,200 or 15,270, like we spoke about. We did have a change of character here once we took out these highs. Boom, right? Took out that high, created a new high. Now coming into the week, I do see rejection at this level, this new level, this new founding level, right? On a 4-hour, on a daily time frame, we see multiple rejections on this level. So I will be looking for a rejection from this level, right? Maybe create a new higher low to keep pushing up to that upside, right? But we need to be aware of this resistance level here, right? This level of supply. So once we approach this level, I will be looking for shorts to start the week, and then take the shorts to longs, right? Right now we do have a change of character on the smaller time frames. The higher time frames are pushing off. Depends. We need to wait for closure, obviously, but the weekly, as we can see, we're already bullish engulfing candlestick off that order block, off that EMA. On the monthly, same thing. Seeing that same OB bounce, EMA. So that's those are my trading ideas for this week. Let's just be patient, guys. Risk management. Wait until price gives us clear entry level, right? I would like to get into some rejections here, into some shorts, right? Like I said, get into the shorts to catch longs. We do have a change of character, so market is acting more on the bullish side, and the way she's running now, it makes it fearful, right? It's a big difference when market moves like this, comes into your zone slowly, right? That's more a market correction than rather it doing what she's doing right now and just breaking through levels of resistance. Breaking through levels of resistance. This is where you have to be aware. You have to be careful executing a trade, right? When the momentum is so volatile, right? So the bullish momentum is very strong. So you don't want to get caught on the wrong side of the market, especially when you don't know how to risk manage and you're over leveraging. So remember, guys, risk management coming into this week. I'm going to be looking for shorts at this area, right? And if we do blow past it, I will be looking for longs back into this weekly supply, right? So you guys should already have all these levels marked out from last week's breakdown. And yeah, let's kill this week, guys. Let's have an awesome Tokyo trading session week. As for next week, we should be going back to normal schedule sometime soon. But I'll keep you guys updated. Regardless, I'm gonna see you guys on either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You guys let me know, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for Tokyo session this week. And let's keep killing it. Let's watch for news. Let's see if we can open them real quick. Just overlook some news. I don't want to make this video too long, but let's just overlook some news. See if we got something happening this week. Monday we look good. If we're gonna be trading Tokyo, we got JPY at 6:30, average nothing. AUD at 10:30. All right, we got NSD inflation expectations at 9 p.m. on Tuesday. Should be good. GJ and JPY is what I'm mainly focusing on right now. We got some unemployment claims coming in, New York session at 8:30 on Thursday. And on Friday, we got consumer sentiment for New York session. Oh, Friday, it's nothing. Never mind. JP on 6:30. We should be good. Looks like we have a decent week ahead of us, guys. So take care, everybody. Have a blessed day. I'll see you guys on Monday or Tuesday.